Oh, sorry.
This is about strengthening partnership, as was rightly said. We are here to visit some of these field visits to some of the health centers to see some of the good work that has been done. The three critical takeaway for us as UNICEF is about ensuring how we can better support on maternal and child health services, ensuring that the CIDPs and EADPs are able to sustain the investment that is already being made. It is also about addressing the triple threat. There is a UNICEF program, there is also a UN joint program on triple threat which addresses the SGBV, the sexual and gender-based violence, FGM, and teenage pregnancy. And the third area is about public health emergency outbreak, which also includes POSH services. So we would like to see how we can better strengthen our collaboration and support the government on few critical indicators that would really help Migori to take that leadership and take that lead. This collaboration would really help us. The vision of the Migori County in one of the flagship county in Western Kenya in making some of these critical changes that would really help in advancement of the maternal and child health on water and wash intervention and public health crisis, and also ensuring the triple threats related concerns. I would
as a county, we have received support in the area of mother and child care. We have received support in areas of capacity building to our CHPs and our health staff so that we are able to respond to situations. So today we have this very powerful delegation from UNICEF to review how we have traveled together and also look at what priorities we have in Migori County. We have embarked on an ambitious plan of putting up facilities in our level 4 hostels that are for mothers and are also for newborn. Those facilities will require equipping. The health staff we have will require capacity building. They will also require other commodities. We have discussed that with UNICEF and they have promised that they will look at that because we continue building.
UNICEF touches on the core aspects of life because they touch on mothers, they touch on children, and these are the two people who bring future. If you look at the status of Migori County, teen pregnancy is very high. Amongst other counties in Kenya, I think our number is very high. And so to choose Migori County is a very good thing, and we are very grateful for that. I must also thank the county government of Migori because I've learned today that they are planning to put up a rescue center in Nyatike, and it will not only deal with the FGM, but beyond that, there are women who are beaten, there are boys who are molested. There are so many things around triple threat. So when UNICEF comes in and Migori County government comes in and our office of the women comes in a small way because of resources, we are grateful. I know we will deal with most of the issues that touch on life.